Welcome to Saad Educare. From this video we are starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. So today we will start Unit 1 numbers to 1000. So step by step we will try to solve all exercise. Let's start. Exercise 1.1. Number 1, focus. Here is the last row of a 100 square. Write the numbers in the next row, which is the first row of the 101 to 200 square. So it's a simple thing. Here is 91 and here is finish 100. So usually we know once we go right we will increase plus 1, and once we go left we decrease 1. So here is 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. Okay, so first one done. Next question, number 2, complete these pieces from a 1 to 1000 number strip. So it's an important thing. We know in right side and left side, right side will add 1 and for left side we will decrease 1, but 1 we go down or up, it will be changed 100, right? So here is 113, add 1, and in left side 111. But once ups and down, this is the 1000 number strip, so it's a 100 each place. So it means here is 2, 1, 2, and here is what? 112 minus 100, it means here is only 12. Okay, it's a very simple thing. So similar, here is 201, so here is 301, 302, and here is 303. Same thing, here is 133, and here is 131, and here 232, and here only 32. Okay, so we should think about, because it's a very sensitive issue, 100 to 1000 number strip. But if 100, if you compare 1 to 100, that case right side and left side it will be similar, plus 1 and minus 1, and ups and down it will be increase 10 and decrease 10. But 1000 strip it will be increase 100 or decrease 100. Okay, draw a representation of 316. 316, it means 300 plus 10 plus 6. It's ones, it's tens, and it's 100. So let's consider a square shape is represent 100, and triangular represent 10, and a oval represent ones. So here is 300, so we can write like 1, 2 and 3. It means here is 300. And tens, it means one triangle. Okay, and 6, this is 10, and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it means 6. Lots of way you can solve this one, so this is up to you. But representation 316, it will be 300 plus 10 plus 6. Okay, now here is what 3-digit numbers are represented below. Look, here is 100 square, right? and here is also 100. So this is 100 and 100, it means 200, and here is 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here is 10 times 4, it means 40, and here is 100 times 2, it means here is 200, and here is 1 and 2, so 1 times 2. So what will be the answer? Here is 200 plus 40 plus 2, it means 242. Okay, so here is 100 and star 1 2 3 4 5 star. 5 star means here is 500 plus tens 1, it means 110, and 1 in the section of ones, here is 1 2 3, so here is 3. So ultimate result is 513. Okay, this is very simple. Next question, what is the value of the ringed digit in each 3-digit number? So look, this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. So here 1 represent is 100, 5 is 5, 4 is 400, 7 is only 7, 2 is 20, and 8 is 80. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. It's a very important topics, right? So next question, practice. Write the numbers in the next row and 1 to 1000 strip. So we know once we go one by one right side, it will be increase plus 1, and when we go left side, it will be decrease 1, but in down it will be increase 100, and when we go upper it will be decrease 100, right? So 351, here should be 451, then here 452, 453. It means we will add 100. 454, 455, 456, 457, 458, 459, and finally 460. Okay, so number 6 done. Now here is work example, like here is 600, here is 20, and here is 3. So draw 6 beads in the 100 tower to stand for 600. 600, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a 100 towers, so 6 means 600. So same thing, once 20, it means 2 beats. Here is 6 bit, that means 600, and here is 2 bit, it means 20, and finally here is 6 bit 600, 2 bit 20, and 3 bit, it means only 3. Finally 600 plus 20 plus 3, it will be 623, right? 623. Very simple. Okay, now draw beads in each abacus to show each 3-digit number. So here is 300, it means 1 2 3, right? Here is 70, so 1070, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and 51, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Very simple. So here is what? Here is 370 and 5, 375. Same thing, here is 700, and this is 100 towers, so we will implement 700, it means 7 bits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 90, it means 9 bits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? And here is 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So finally here is how many bit? 7 bit, it means 700, plus here is how many tens? 9 tens, it means 90, and how many 1 bit? 7. So finally we will get 797. Very simple. Now which 3-digit number is represented on each abacus? Look, here is how many tens in this tower? Here these 100 towers, 1 bits, it means 100. Tens 1 2 3 4 5, 5 means here is 5 tens, it means 50. And here is ones, 2 bits, it means here is only 2. So 100 plus 50 plus 2, here is 152. Okay, so what about in here? 1 2 3 4, it means here means 400. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 in tens, so it means 60. 1 2 3, it means ones in 3, so finally 463. Okay, write 3-digit number in words. Here is what? 70. Write this 3-digit number in words. It's not 70, so 700. 700. And what about here is 10? 10. And here is 6. 6. So finally we can write, look, 700, 10 and 6, it will be 616. So we can write 700, then what? 16, right? 16. Very simple. Next one, challenge. Complete these pieces which come from 1 to 1000 number strip. So again I want to say, once we go right side we will add 1, when we go left side we will decrease 1, when we go down we will add 100 in for 1000 strip, and once we go up we will decrease 100. So here is 500, so we can write 600, we can write here 700, and minus, so here is 699, 698, and here is 697 because decrease 1. And what about in here? Here is 597 and here is 497. Okay, so very simple thing. Now look, if here is any box, so it will be like, so here is 498, 499, and here is 500, similar 598, 599, and here is 600. It's a very simple thing. So what about here 899? It means here is 900. Okay, so simple thing. And here is 898. Here is 798. Here is 698, and here is 800, and here is 700. Okay, so what about in here? So here is, just think, in down it will be 1000, and here is 999, and here is 998. Okay, and simple thing, here should be 1100, and here is what? 1099, and here is 1098. Okay, so this is a very critical things. You should think 900, then here should be one increase, 900 plus 100, it will be 1000. So be careful. Now write the missing number on each worm. 157, 167, 177. So what about in here? Here is 187, 197, here 207, here is 217 already mentioned. So just 10 increase, right? 10 increase, 57, 67, 77. So here should be 227, 237, 247. Okay, so here is 462, here is 452. So naturally here is 442, and here 432, and here is 422. So here should be 412, here is 392, here is 382, and here is 372, and finally here is 362. Just increase or decrease 10. So what about in here? Look, 63, 73, 83. So here should be 793. Then 8, what? Just 10 increase. So 803. It means 803, 813, 823. And here is 753, 743, and 733. Okay. Now read along each row to find 3-digit numbers each row. So here is 546. So write each number in words. So 546. So 546, what? 546. It means 500. 500. Then 46. It means 46, right? And what next? 312, 318, sorry, not 2, 318. Similar, 318, 318, 18. You should careful about handwriting, and read along each and row, find the 3-digit numbers. 972, 972. We can write 900, 972, 72. So this is done. So number 1.2, it means exercise 1.2. we will start next video. This video I am trying to solve all questions of 1.1. okay, all question of 1.1 we already solved, and this is from unit 1 number 2 1000. So thank you very much being with me. This is my channel named Saad Educare, and from this channel you will get lots of things based on Cambridge Primary Mathematics. And this channel usually I'm working nowadays standard 2 and standard 3, but day by day I will try to solve next level. But at this moment I am trying to focus just learners book 3 and works book 3. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and my request, please share your opinion with me. I will try to increase myself. Thank you.